Welcome to our channel ERMN Tech, a digital platform for all technical knowledge. Today I will explain about the tray layout system. Now we will see the cable tray. This is the cable tray. Cable tray is nothing, it is a mechanical support through which we have to run the cables. This is the width of the cable tray and this is the height of the cable tray. Guys, see the types of the cable tray. This is the types of cable tray. We have a different type of cable tray. The first one is perforated type cable tray. The second one is ladder type cable tray, and the third one is wire mesh cable tray. Fourth, channel cable tray. Fifth one is bottom type cable tray. So we have a different types of cable tray. One by one we will see the types of the cable tray. This is the perforated type cable tray. In the perforated type cable tray, we have punching in the cable tray. Second one is ladder type cable tray. This is the ladder type cable tray, and this is the width of the cable tray, and this is the length of the cable tray. So from image you can understand better. This is the ladder type cable tray. This is the wire mesh cable tray. So from image you can understand better. This is the wire mesh of the cable tray. And the fourth one is channel cable tray. This is the channel cable tray. So from image you can understand better. In the channel cable tray, bottom side of the channel is punching type, but the collar side there is no punching. So this is the channel type cable tray. The fifth one is solid bottom cable tray. In the solid bottom cable tray, there is no punching. This is only solid type. This is the width of the cable tray, and this is the length of the cable tray, and this is the height of the cable tray. So this is the solid bottom cable tray. Guys, see that we have a different sizes of the cable tray. The first one is 50 by 50 cable tray, 100 by 50 cable tray, 150 by 50 cable tray, 200 by 50 cable tray, 250 by 50 cable tray, 300 by 50 cable tray, 350 by 50 cable tray, 400 by 50 cable tray, 450 by 50 cable tray, 600 by 50 cable tray, 750 by 50 cable tray, 900 by 50 cable tray. So we have a different sizes of the cable tray. You see here 50 by 50. This 50 is the width of the cable tray, and this 50 is the height of the cable tray. If you will see here 100 by 50, this is the width of the cable tray, and this is the height of the cable tray. So height we can say collar of the tray. So collar, we have a different size of the collar of the tray, 50, 75 and 100, whatever the requirement. So we will use, we can see the sizes of the cable tray. We can use in the side different size of the cable tray. Now guys, we will see the cable tray fitting part. We have a different fitting parts of the cable tray. The first one is tray coupler. This is the fitting parts of the tray. Elbow, T, reducer, riser. We have a two type of riser, external riser and internal riser, and four-way offset. So we have a different parts of the cable tray fittings. Now we will see one by one, and you can understand from this image. This is the tray coupler. We have a different type of a tray coupler. This is the elbow of the cable tray. This is the fitting parts. This is the T parts of the cable tray. This is the three parts. Here you can see the three parts is here. We can connect one cable tray here. We can connect one cable tray here, and the one we can connect cable tray here. So this is the W1, this is the W2, and this is the W3. Now you can see this is the reducer. From image you can understand better. See here, this is the reduce of the cable tray. So this is the 200 and this is the 100 cable tray. Then we can connect from 200 to 100 cable tray. So this is the same as a ladder tray. The fifth one is riser. You can see there is two type of riser, internal riser and external riser. This is the internal riser and this is the external riser. We need to drop the cable tray, we need riser. This is the four-way cable tray. Suppose this is the W1, this is the W2, this is the W3, and this is the W4. So we can connect four cable tray to this four-way tray. Guys, now come to the installation accessories. We need this material to install the cable tray. We will see one by one. Unistud channel, thread rod, anchor fastener, mushroom nut bolt, nut, spring nut, jet clamp, square washer, rod coupler. So we need this all to install the cable tray. One by one we will see Unistud channel or angle. Unistrut channel comes into the 40 by 40 or 40 by 41 by 41. So from this image you can understand this is the Unistrut channel. Now second one is thread rod. Thread rod is 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm. According to the client requirement, we will use the sizes of the thread rod. This is the size of the thread rod. So from this image you can understand better. This is the thread rod. This all material we need to install the cable tray. The third one is anchor and fastener. Anchor and fastener 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm. So according to the client requirement, we are using the sizes of the anchor fastener. Now fourth one is mushroom nut bolt. See the mushroom nut bolt sizes is 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm. As usual, as per the client requirement, we will the sizes of the mushroom nut bolt. If you will see the mushroom nut bolt here, the cap of the mushroom nut bolt is like a mushroom. Next one is nut. See the sizes of the nut is 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm. As per the requirement of the client, we are using the sizes of the nut. Suppose if you are using the 8 mm rod, then we can use the 8 mm nut also. Now the sixth one is spring nut. The sizes of the spring nut is 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm. We can see here from the image, you can understand better. This is the spring nut. So if we'll use the thread rod 8 mm or 10 mm, accordingly we will use this spring nut. Come to the 7 point. This is the jet clamp. Jet clamp sizes is 50 by 100 by 50. If you'll see in this image, you can see the how the tray is clamped through this clamp, jet clamp. Now come to the 8 square washer. So the sizes of the square washer is for M14. We can use this square washer from here and bottom of the channel. Now come to the rod coupler. This is the rod coupler, 6 mm, 8 mm or 10 mm the sizes of the rod coupler. So this is the rod coupler. From image you can understand better. What is the use of this rod coupler? If we have two rod, then you can connect this two rod to easily from this coupler. Guys, now come to the drawing parts. This is the tray layout system drawing. This is the tray layout you can see here, and this is the also tray layout you can see here. If you will see in the drawing, this is the perforated type tray and this is the ladder type tray. Almost the ladder type and perforated type they are using in the construction field. If you will see, if I will zoom, then you can see here everything is mentioned there. This is the 900 by 50 mm tray, perforated type. So you can see 900 is width of the tray and 50 is height of the tray. So you can say collar of the tray. So GI tray, GI means galvanized iron tray. So guys, you can see here, this is the elbow part, this is the elbow part, and this is the offset part. If you'll see how this is the offset part, if you'll see the height of the tray, if you'll see here, height of the tray is different, and here if you'll see the height of the tray is different. So this is this is the offset part, and this is the elbow part. If you see, this is the different size of the tray, and this is the different size of the tray. The sizes of the tray is mentioned in the drawing. This is 900 by 50 mm tray, and this is 550 mm GI tray. So everywhere the sizes of the tray is mentioned. This is the ladder type tray, and this you can easily understand from this drawing. This is perforated type and this is the ladder type. Here also ladder type drawing, there is mentioned the sizes of the tray 400 by 100. Already I told you this 400 is width of the tray and 100 is height of the tray, means collar size of the tray. So one tray is almost 3 meter. You can see from here, you can see the layout of the tray, it coming from here, here and here, up to here, ladder tray, and from here the perforated tray is started. This is the panel. From panel, one tray is passing from here. This is the elbow part, and this is the also elbow part. This is the elbow part. So you can understand each and everything. See, the number is there. So this is the cable number which is passing from the tray. I hope you enjoy from this. Thank you very much.